Hey guys, welcome to another quick tip video. So today I basically want to talk about sliders. Now, I'm sure some of you guys are asking, oh, what's this kind of thing? So now this is what we call a slider. Now, a slider is a tool that you use to basically create some really epic, really still, slowing images. Now, the one I particularly own is called the Rhino. Now, Rhino is a company in the States, based in the States, and they basically manufacture camera accessories. Now, me personally, I own this slider. I've owned it for I've probably owned the slider, maybe this particular one. I think I've probably owned it maybe about, let's say about a year ago, I bought this. Now they do two versions. They do this version, which is a carbon fiber, and they also do another version, which is slightly longer, a bit more longer, which is also made out of steel rods. It is a bit more heavier, to be fair. It's not something you would want to travel with, if I'm honest with you. If I need to do more of a really long track, I would normally hire that in, because for me buying it didn't really make sense. For me personally owning the small one, it made a lot of sense, because again, I can travel with this. It comes with a nice little case and it's fantastic. Now, you can get ones which are manual, where you basically move it yourself. So the camera's there, you sort of move it slowly back and forth, especially when you're doing interviews and stuff like that. As you can see, really nice and smooth. So you can do it yourself. Sorry, I don't have my camera on this, but I just basically want to show you guys here. So you've got this. Now, there are other cheaper options out there, and please don't follow me if I'm honest with you. There are cheaper options that you can get. Now, there's tons of it on Amazon, on eBay. Where manual ones, you can get ones where it's got like a little wheel where you just sort of wheel it and the thing moves itself. You can get ones which is a standard, where you basically hold it and you move it yourself. But in theory, it basically helps you tell a story. Now, sliders are quite popular because people use it for like B-roll shots, when they're basically talking about a product, and this is really good for product shots. Now, you have a product, you have it there, you just basically slightly go across. Fantastic. Also, I use it a lot for churches as well, for doing shoots for churches, music videos. Sliders are you can use them for anything, to be fair. Now, the one I use here is the Rhino, like I said to you guys before, but it's an electrical one. So with this one, I've got like a little device which allows me to control this. So it allows me to select, okay, what type of one do I have? I have the Evo. I've got motion. I want to control a wheel. It's going to ask to calibrate it, so I make sure it's not locked. As you guys can see, it's moving. Boom, it's in place, and then it allows me to move back and forth. And again, I can get some really smooth buttery. Look at that. Boom, and then stop. Hit the stop button, and then this is magnet. Goes onto that. Boom, Bob's your uncle. So this is a really fantastic system. Again, this is quite glorified to some people out there, but for what I do and for the things I do for some of my client work, this is a key asset that I need. And for those of you out there who basically, like I said, want to step up your game, you basically now want to get some really good paid jobs and stuff like that, this is something I would consider getting, because again, it adds value to your production. Now, if you can't buy one, you can always rent these as well. There's loads of media places and loads of rentals who hire particular same systems like these. There are many good brands out there, but the one I tend to use is Arc. I also have another device called the Arc 2. I'll do that on another video, which is another fantastic phenomenal equipment by Rhino themselves. So heads up to Rhino, well done, their stuff is excellent. Just a disclaimer, they're not sponsoring this video. I'm not affiliated to them in any way, shape or form. They do really good video equipment and I really love it, and I like using their stuff, to be fair. Never failed on me, and they're fantastic. And on that note, I'm gonna end the video. Have a fantastic day and stay blessed. Boom, boom, boom.